Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an unboxing of box 5 of the subscription boxes that we issue in collaboration with Goeters by Hart every month. This is the box that went out mid-May after lockdown regulations allowed us to. So let's have a look. At first we've got a little bundle of things, so let's open that up. So again, the focus on sustainable packaging, on not using unnecessary plastic packaging, on using items that are reusable as far as going. It's embroidery twine, you can reuse that on a tag or anything. So first up, a little specimen slide. Such a cute little detail. So that's like that. Got a snippet booklet in like a junk journal style. These I like. It's a little tear booklet you can tear out when you're doing glue booking or collaging or whatever. That gives you a nice little booklet to work with. Here again, little mini booklet. Again, this can tuck into a pocket and it's all journaling space. And then there's a set of stamps with very nice butterflies, and there's a rose, some flowers. So that's some of the items. And another item is a little bag with a flower. These are all, they're part of the packaging. They're not even, classed as box items, but again, all reusable. Got a little tin, and then the tin's filled with the little bits and pieces. Let's take them out. So this is filled with some charms. Isn't that the cutest little spoon? Some charms for dangles or for tying off your journal, a little love letter. There's some crystals. There's a glass heart. Some there's some glass seed beads. So all of this very easy to tie on a bowl pin or on a journal dangle or anything like that. So that's some nice things to play with. Got a little bag. Again, the packaging already is usable. It's got some die cuts in, and then this beautiful hand-stitched, hand-sewn, vintage inspired button card. So that's a very cute addition to a tuck spot. And then we get to one of my favorites in this box. It's this oversized rose gold paperclip banner with music paper, and that holds a little folder. Again, some tags, and this opens again, little folder, so you can fold that, and a little tag. Another little parcel. This again forms part of the packaging, so that's a nice little bit of detail that you can reuse. There's a set of sticky notes, all in the soft natural botanic colors. A big sheet of paper, and then there's a bundle of bookmarks. So little bird. It would sit like that on a page. A little fold out bookmark, feather, another feather, a little metal one, a bundle of bookmarks. Then we've got an envelope as packaging, so a little layered butterfly. Another embellished paper clip. Nice finish on the back. And then this is just packaging again. So in this little journaling card, and then these are stuck down with removable glue, and it's little handmade paper tassels, and they've got quite nice detail. This one's got some beading, they're all different. Some lace, some ribbon detail, and again on a tag that's part of the packaging that can be reused, and it is stamped. And then the last item that gives you a hint, little envelope with some like faux postage botanic stamps. There's a whole range in 2 designs from them. So there we go, that is the contents of box 5. With the subscription boxes, please remember the boxes will never be the same. Items that you see in this box cannot be featured in a future box, purely because of the way that they are made or how the stock cycles run. So we will always endeavor to have, you can see, very neutral colorway, very specific style and feeling, and all items suitable for junk journaling. Thank you very much for the support each month, and thank you very much for all the excellent feedback that we receive. We really appreciate it, and we hope to be putting out some more pretty boxes for you as the months go by. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.